What are you doing, Jun Samuel?
Drawing Pac-Man.
Pac-Man?
Yeah, Pac-Man.
Pac-Man as in Manny Pac-Man?
I'm not in money, Pac-Man.
What?
This is Pac-Man. You eat pellets. But there's Pac coins. But I need to erase this ghost house.
Okay, that's okay. Ah, that's a game.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pac-Man's a game.
Okay. What is that?
This is the ghost house. The ghosts start in this ship position. They're using ghosts as an enemy to kill Pac-Man and make him die and then lose in the game Pac-Man.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then we have Pac-Man's starting line in this triangle block. And you have to draw a triangle block here too. Then you have to draw this block here. Then you have to draw this block there. Yeah. This block here and this block there. Then draw this straight line block like that. Then you have to line there. Then you have to put Pac-Man here. Then draw all the pellets. Was in the game. These were in the game, and those power pellets too. These power pellets make you eat the ghost. Eventually, you will get more points. And you have to put this too. These pellets in the other maze. My hands are getting out here when I draw.
Oh?
Yeah, but I have traced my hands. You pause this one na and then let's continue later. Let's continue with that video earlier. Let's continue with this video earlier.
Yeah.
That making Pac-Man.
Okay.
And then for after a minute, we're gonna rest again. Take an ad break. Rest again! It's not it. And we're continuing the game of Pac-Man from the video earlier.
I can see it.
That we paused. And here is the actual one that we're doing earlier. So we are coloring the top with pellets.
Let me see.
It's like coloring pellets in the top. And then you have to draw the pellets in the maze. Then you connect to the other place where you got we just completed earlier. Then we have to draw the ghosts. Actually, the ghosts are good. And then draw Blinky too. So these are the ghosts in Pac-Man's here. Then we draw Pac-Man, the name of Pac-Man.
That's the game, Sam?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you done?
Yes.
Sure, ito na ano. Oh, Pac-Man.